Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog. I'm Jade. I actually woke up in such a good mood this morning. Baby, I woke up in such a good mood this morning. I had the urge to vlog. I promised myself for 2022 I'm going to try my best and vlog as much as I can. But since I woke up with that urge, I said, you know what, let me just take up the camera. Yes, let me take up the tripod and let me just do it. Let me just see how it is. Honestly, fear hinders me a lot from opportunities, but I have to remind myself God did not give me a spirit of fear but of sound mind. Amen. If you know, you know. But anyway, I don't have anything. 1 second. Yeah, so I was saying that I don't have anything too excited planned for today, but I definitely need to go to the grocery store. There's literally no food in this house. Yes, baby. Say hi, friends. Say hi, friends. It's my baby AJ. Say hi, friends. Love you so much. Love you the most. Yes, it's mommy glasses. Alright, so I need to go to the grocery store. Probably in an hour or two I'm gonna get ready and head over there. Buying food every day is not it. It is expensive, it is pricey, it is everything, but not it. So I definitely need to go and get that done. I'm gonna vlog that, of course. So I'm gonna get ready in a bit and I'm gonna see you guys at the supermarket. Okay guys, yeah, we all set to go to the supermarket now. Look at his outfit, so cute. He just need a black puffer jacket to match, right? Right? Are you from New York even? Are you from New York even? Do you have a big black puffer jacket even? So yes, I'm gonna put on his coat, put on my coat, and I'm gonna head there now. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you, I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away, we don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Okay, so we're back from the supermarket. Yes, baby. Yeah. So we're back from the supermarket. Just gonna do a quick grocery haul. So for fruits, we got some mandarins. We got some, well, a piece of watermelon. Broccoli right here. We got some potatoes for breakfast stuff. Bread, of course. We got some organic eggs. Then we got some bacon as well. And I picked up these wraps for like tacos or breakfast wraps. Then we got some essential water. I got 4 bottles of these. Then we have the Mott's apple mango. Yo, this tastes really good, especially with ice. Diluted a little bit, tastes really good. Then I got the original apple juice by Mott's. And oh, I got this We tried this a couple weeks ago with salad, and it is really good. So let me just pick it up again. Just pick up one packet this time. And I got a box of Capri Suns. When I was pregnant, I kid you not, I could have drank the whole box of this in like in one day. I was just extra thirsty. Water, juice. Ugh. It's just sad, but I guess I'm not kidding a hat, but I just love Capri Suns. Then I got some Vitamalt and yeah, I got some pasta, chocolate, ketchup, barbecue sauce. Then we got some rice, Ziploc bags. I also bought some salmon and some ribs and some chicken as well. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know, I have to clean the fridge before packing away, so I'm gonna do that now before my baby gets fussy. He's already starting. I think he slept through the whole time when we was out, and when he come home, I don't know, one thing he'll behave when he go outside, but when he home, oh my gosh, I see that his dad always said like he's my match, but he just got me going, but love it nonetheless. So yeah, so let me just go and clean the fridge and pack away all this stuff.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
Here's the finished look. I love to separate things. Cheese one side, meat, any sauce, ketchup, salad dressing, you know, the extra juice go here, water. I forgot to buy milk, but this is how I like my refrigerator. You know, fruits here. I had to put the broccoli there, provisions here, pumpkin, potato, carrots, those stuff in there. Usually this section I usually pack like meal prep, but when I do that later today or tomorrow, I'm gonna, you know, fix here. Baby milk got there, extra water, need your fridge to be freshly hammer. But yeah, this is the final look. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. Wednesday is usually like my prep day in terms of cooking wise. I usually cook on Sunday to last maybe 2 days, 3 days maybe, but I need to cook today so my man can have food for tomorrow and Friday where he go to work, and for me to have food at home. But yeah, it's gonna do actually a quick meal, nothing too heavy per se. Honestly, I find I'm eating less now. My baby is 5 months. Not intention not to lose weight or anything, but let me know in the comments any moms out there who used to eat more before pregnancy and now eating less. I don't know, but yo, let me tell you, right, postpartum bodies is something I find the media, social media on a whole, portray like you're supposed to bounce back the day after you got birth, you giving birth. But yo, it's so far. I had a C-section and I had a little fupa. I find it's still there, but I'm back to my pre-pregnancy weight. But my belly is just not the same. Your body is still not the same. You know, I mean, I'm grateful that I was able to produce my lovely sunshine. I love my son, but postpartum is something. But anyway, this vlog is not about that. I think next vlog, maybe, or whatever vlog, I'm gonna talk more about postpartum and pregnancy and all those stuff. But right now I just need to get out of bed and go cook before I get too comfortable, and then I have to cook later in the night.
Dreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Please be don't just be not make me back. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be not make me back. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Hey guys, so it's Friday. It's actually the night, to be completely honest, but I didn't vlog today because we didn't do anything that was worth vlogging, in my opinion. Actually just made some chicken breast, the chicken breast that I showed earlier in the vlog in the grocery haul. Yeah, I made those with bacon and with the wrapper, with a little bit cheese and a tomato. Is really good. Maybe I should have recorded that, maybe next time for next vlog. But yeah, it's time for little man to wind down to go to sleep. So I'm gonna get him settled, yeah, to for bed, and then Karen and we're gonna watch a little movie. I don't know even why I said little, but we're gonna watch a movie, little home date night, little bonding time for us. Way, let's hope he just stay asleep. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like if you like the video. Comment down below anything videos that you would like to see in the future, and subscribe. So yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks again, guys.